at objektivisere, to objectify, at observere, to observe, at ofre, to sacrifice, to offer, at omarbejde, to revise, to rework, at omdanne, to transform, to convert, at omfavne, to embrace, to hug, at omforme, to reshape, to reform, at omfatte, to include, to comprise, at omgås, to associate, to socialize, at omhugge, to recut, to carve again, at omkomme, to perish, to die in an accident, at omregne, to convert money units, at omring, to surround, at omskabe, to recreate, to transform, at omsætte, to convert, to translate money or ideas, at omsorg for, phrase, to care for, at omtale, to mention, to refer to, at omvidne, to convert religiously, to change direction, at omvurdere, to reassess, to reevaluate, at omlægge, to reorganize, to restructure, at omgive, to surround oneself with, at omgøre, to undo, to reverse a decision, at omhutle, to wrap around, literary, at omplante, to transplant, plants, at omskrive, to rewrite, at omskære, to circumcise, to cut around, at omtage, to retake, exam, photo, etc., at omvidne, to turn around, to convert, at ombygge, to rebuild, to reconstruct, at omrøre, to stir in cooking, at ophæve, to cancel / to annul, at opholde, to stay / to reside, at ophøre, to cease / to stop, at opgive, to give up / to abandon, At opgradere. To upgrade. At opkalde. To name after someone. At opklare. To solve a case / to clarify. At opkøbe. To buy up / to acquire. At opleve. To experience. At oplyse. To inform / to illuminate. At opmuntre. To encourage. At opnå. To achieve. To obtain. At oprette. To create. To establish. At oprive. To tear up. To disturb. At opstå. To arise. To occur. At optage. To record. To absorb. To admit. At optræde. To perform. To appear. At opvokse. To grow up. At opfylde. To fulfill. To meet a requirement. At opfinde. To invent. At opføre. To behave. To act. At opbygge. To build up. To develop. At ophænge. To hang up. At opdage. To discover. At opfordre. To encourage. To urge. At opgive håbet. To lose hope. At opnå resultater. To achieve results. At opleve noget nyt. To experience something new. At opfatte. To perceive. To understand. At optjene. To earn. Points. Rights. At optjene penge. To earn money. At opvask. Verb form vaske op. To do the dishes. At opvarme. To heat. To warm up. At opføre et hus. To build a house. At oplyse om. To inform about. At opbevare. To store. To keep. At opdele. To divide. To separate. At opfordre til. To call for. To encourage. To at opgradere systemet. To upgrade the system. At opstille. To set up. To install. Learning Danish is not about perfection. It's about practice, patience, and progress. Keep listening. Keep repeating. You're building not just words, but confidence. Thank you for learning with Learn Danish Now 365. Let's continue this journey, one word at a time.